Established in 1916, San Diego Zoo is one of the world's top 5 zoos. With over 800 species of wildlife, it provides visitors with opportunities to observe and learn about these creatures up close. In 1996, the panda Bayun entered the San Diego Zoo, showing its unique charm, immediately becoming the treasure of the zoo. Undoubtedly, the highly anticipated Yunchuan and Xinbao will become San Diego's new superstars. To welcome the pandas, San Diego Zoo is transforming the existing panda pavilion.
That area must be enclosed. They're trying to enclose it, right? But there should be a passage.
The construction of all overseas panda pavilions must meet the standards set forth by China. Li Desheng and a Chinese expert team participate in technical guidance during the whole process.
And then the other side, more plants and shrubs and things. We'll look at one that's just for bears over there. These would be tall enough.
This place, named Panda Ridge, covers an area of over 3,000 square meters, 4 times the original pavilion's dimensions. The design blends landscapes of Sichuan and the mountainous charms of San Diego, striving to emulate to the greatest extent possible the natural habitat of pandas.
It is my second participation in the renovation and upgrade of the Panda Pavilion this year. The zoo authorities have gone out of their way. The size of the outdoor sports field has increased a lot. The vegetation and facilities are more in line with the pandas' needs. During our inspections, we noticed some minor details that needed immediate attention we had to resolve. Some pandas are quite big, especially good at climbing. They might climb up. Generally, we don't think they might climb up, but there is a possibility. In this scenario, we suggested to the experts at the San Diego Zoo that they add some protective facilities to better safeguard the giant pandas and enhance visitor safety.
Everything is ready. We're waiting for you.
There's thunder. It might rain soon.
Yan, known as the Rainy City, is either raining or getting ready to rain.
How come the rain became heavier?
It has over 200 rainy days a year and annual rainfall of 1,800 millimeters. This humid climate provides an ideal habitat for the humid-loving giant panda.
Oh, this is so cool! I'll call Xinbao over to eat bamboo together. Xinbao! Come here! It's romantic to share bamboo on a rainy day!
No! I'm going to sleep.
After the rain, the sky clears. It's another good day for eating.
Yunchuan! Yunchuan!
The voice of the female feeders.
Yunchuan! You have to come outside. Out!
Yunchuan!
I'm coming.
Oh.
Yay! Good boy, Yunchuan. To provide the pandas with better care before the pandas embark on their overseas journey, overseas zoos will dispatch feeders to learn panda breeding knowledge in China. San Diego Zoo is no exception.
Is that one good? Yunchuan!
You look so good.
Yunchuan! Come here! Here's one more. Do you see it? Can you smell it? Can you? It can eat one snack in the morning.
They're very cute. I like them both. I'm so excited to work with them and learn all about them.
In the last 6 years, I've worked with different species of bears and large cats. And so mostly large carnivores. I have not taken care of giant pandas before. This will be my first time. So I was really excited to work with the giant pandas. I am very much looking forward to having them to come to San Diego.
The two newly appointed panda feeders are very diligent. They seize every opportunity to study. Mr. Huang is glad to share his husbandry experience accumulated over the years with them.
Most pandas do not eat the bad ones, but sometimes Yunchuan, who has an insatiable appetite, would nibble on this, so we should remove it entirely. Once removed, this becomes fresh. You see that? You see how green it is? It looks fresh now.
Fresh.
So fresh.
Like a fresh cut.
As dawn breaks over the horizon, Anna and Jessica couldn't help but wait at the entrance of the enclosure. Today, they will learn an important lesson, training pandas to extend their paws.
Extend your hand. Hand. Grasp here. You're playing tricks. No food for you. No food. Grasp here. Okay. Okay, put it here, very good. After the panda holds the blood sampling stand, the veterinarian can gently draw blood from its arm without anesthesia to assess and check the panda's overall physical condition.
Captive pandas begin their behavioral training at the age of 2. Extending their hands is particularly crucial. Through concise and clear directives, guide the panda to stand on its hind legs, sit down, and extend hands. This kind of training helps to reduce the stress responses of pandas caused by changes of environment or feeders. Meanwhile, it can make the panda accept medical examinations, including blood sampling and measurement of blood pressure, in a more relaxed state, avoiding the potential risks associated with anesthesia.
Stand up. Stand up for a moment. Stand up. Stand up. Almost there. Here. After we finish the training, we will ask the panda to stand so we can give it special reward. It also knows that when we give this great reward, it means that our training for today is over. It can now play freely.
Under the meticulous guidance of Mr. Huang, Anna and Jessica received their due return. Yunchuan and Xinbao began to adapt to their directives. After all, they are so gentle and patient, and they have fragrant steamed cornbread and sweet and juicy carrots. How could our two little pandas possibly refuse?
Is that all? I would like more. Please give me more.
The journey of learning in China is coming to an end. 2 American feeders, showing genuine affection and meticulous care to Yunchuan and Xinbao, leave an indelible impression to us and obtain respect from Mr. Huang.
They're so diligent in the training. They're so tender to the pandas. They're so fond of pandas that they could have that gentle gaze. As the feeder of the 2 pandas, I am quite reassured to see such gentle and responsible feeders.
We now have a lot of days working with them, so my confidence is building.
Yes, I feel very comfortable working with them already. So I'm very confident that we can
Take good care
of them,
Yeah.
help them move in.
Goodbye, Yunchuan. See you in San Diego. Bye, Yunchuan.
Bye, Yunchuan. So cute.
Hey, what are you doing? Hurry up, let me in.
5 days remain until departure. Wang Shan begins to do desensitization training for Yunchuan and Xinbao to ensure their calmness and comfort during the transportation and relocation process.
Come here. Here. Okay. Now come here. Come on. Come here. Hey, Chuan. Hey, Chuan. Come on. Chuan. Yunchuan, come inside. Come here. Chuan, over here. Hey, look here. Good. Yunchuan, come here. That's good. Come on. Come on. Come here, come here. He's still a little nervous, though he's sitting inside this cage. It feels like it wants to retreat. This is all very new to him. This is his very first time to enter inside the cage. The appearance, the materials, and the odor are all new to him, so it needs some time to get familiar. After 3 or 4 times, it could be fully relaxed there. Xinbao! Xinbao?
I feared that timid Xinbao wouldn't cooperate. Unexpectedly, Xinbao is more obedient than Yunchuan. It stepped into the cage the moment it was offered.
We also make a week-long endeavor to train them how to be adaptable to the cage. This is surely helpful for them. At first, it resists the cage with all its might since it's new to them. After becoming familiar with it, it'll adapt to it completely.
Dad, look! Look how awesome I am!
Yunchuan? Go out. Go out.
Dad, you didn't praise me. I'm leaving.
Eating, sleeping, and scratching. Xinbao is so cute with his scratching gestures. No wonder Yunchuan is smitten with her at first sight. As the saying goes, if you keep thinking about something, you will surely have an echo. The passionate Yunchuan finally opens the heart of the beauty panda. Now, Xinbao begins to wait for Yunchuan at the small window.
Xinbao, I'm coming!
Today marks the day of departure. Full preparations must be made to ensure absolute safety.
Yeah, turn it around like that. We're now preparing food for the pandas during the very long journey. The food is enough for an over 30-hour journey, including bamboo leaves and stems, bamboo shoots, apples, carrots, and steamed cornbread, all of their favorite food. You can take half or take them all. Have you collected them all? We have more. There's a lot more.
Though it has been anticipated for so long, it's still understandably nervous when the moment for loading and transportation finally arrives. After all the planning, preparing, and training, there's always a worry. Will there be any unexpected occurrences along the way?
Xinbao! Xinbao! Come out! Xinbao! 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 Come on! Xinbao! It's time for a meal! Xinbao!
Hello, Xinbao.
Come out!
Why are you so slow?
Come on!
Luckily, Mr. Wang's concerns proved unfounded.
Xinbao!
With meticulous
Come on.
preparations
Come
beforehand,
out.
the loading is finished in
Yeah.
just a few dozen seconds.
That's it. Come on. That's it. Yeah. Go on.
How lovely it is! Forget it. I'd better eat bamboo shoots.
I feel a little hungry as well. I'll take a bamboo shoot.
It went well. They're in prime condition, so both have exceeded my expectations. It went exceedingly smooth. Xinbao is eating bamboo leaves. Yes, those are bamboo leaves. It's eating bamboo shoots. It's eating bamboo shoots too. This is the video footage capturing the two pandas. At any time, pandas can always be seen throughout the journey.
The journey spanning thousands of miles will soon start. To ensure the good condition of Yunchuan and Xinbao, Li Desheng personally escorts them to the airport, ensuring that every detail of their departure is handled with care and dedication. Mr. Huang and the Chinese veterinary experts accompany them on board and during the following 3 months until they fully adapt to their new environment. Babies, let's meet in the US. Yunchuan and Xinbao come to their new home.
My new home is quite satisfactory. I like it. Xinbao, do you like it?
Yes, I like it too.
Everything is good here, but it seems something is missing. Hey, Yunchuan, where's your dad? One must ensure a well-rounded diet when outside. Steamed cornbread, a refined feed for pandas, is indispensable. Attentive Mr. Huang is teaching Anna to make steamed cornbread. 50?
Okay. That's right. You'll see. We use yellow corn in China. It's white corn flour here. There must be some difference in taste. This flour is finer. The taste should be better for our choosy pandas.
Not that hard. It takes a long time, though. We steamed it for about 5 hours. Mr. Wang taught us how to do it, so now we're all very good at it.
The pot is small, so small ones will cook faster.
This bowl of steamed cornbread takes great effort. 2 little pandas, please show some respect, okay?
Wow, today's steamed cornbread is so soft. I'll have some bamboo.
To provide pandas with the freshest food, San Diego Zoo has planted a lot of bamboo species at its premise, covering an area of no less than 24,000 square meters. The bamboos that the Bayun clan ate before are from here. Now, this vast bamboo forest belongs to Yunchuan and Xinbao.
Approximately 10 varieties of bamboos are what they like, including striped bamboo, bitter bamboo, arrow bamboo, and zebrina bamboo.
Other than an endless supply of bamboo and the glutinous and fragrant American version of steamed cornbread, they also enjoy the keen attention of U.S. experts. Since Yunchuan and Xinbao arrived in San Diego, Dr. Megan would take time out every day to visit these 2 little pandas.
Yunchuan and Xinbao are doing incredibly well. They've fully settled into their new habitat. They're exploring, they're getting all sorts of different bamboo choices, and have something crunchy to eat, so they're doing incredibly well.
Pandas coming here have so many lovers in San Diego. They must be very, very happy.
Who wouldn't love pandas? This is a unique species that has captured the fascination of the entire world. The Americans obviously love them too.
It was 23 years ago. We brought our kids to see Bayun, and then after it left, we were so sad.
They were cool. They were very funny, very comfortable.
This is the first time I've seen a panda.
I made this t-shirt with their pictures and their names, and just to say, welcome to San Diego.
Everybody wants to come, and so that's only good for everyone in San Diego.
Yay, pandas!
I love pandas so much.
pandas.
I love panda.
I love panda. I love pandas.
Panda.